Hey, what's up? This is Sifu Kuttel, and in this video, we're going to be doing a flowering motion and then a forward upward hooking strike. Now, this is actually very similar to our side flower technique. So rather than doing the flower out to the sides and over the head, we're going to keep this flower right in front of the body, and then we'll finish up at an angle to each corner. Okay, so grab your hook swords. Let's get to work. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is cross our arms one over the other, keeping the blades flat. My elbow is over my fist and my elbow is under my fist. Okay, so we want to have that as our general range that we want to start at. From here, simply flip and change, flip and change. The only way to do this is if my arm is on top, I go up. If my arm is on bottom, I go down. You can't really go the other way, you'll tangle yourself up. So go the natural way around for this. Do this a couple of times, switching back and forth, ending always about the same height. So you can think right at chest level is where we're going to end this one. Okay, now from here we're going to work on just doing our upward strike. So cross the weapons, and then we want to make a slight tilt, and then we're going to come up and go up towards the corner. Now notice my other blade is going to touch the ribs with the blade edge pointing forward. So the spine of the blade on most hook swords does not have an edge. If it does, just get it back next to your rib and don't touch it. But for the most part, you have more blade edge is going to be in the front. Okay, so again, I touch the rib and then my other hand is going to come up to the corner. Okay, so I just raise it up here. Notice slight angle down. Okay, nice and simple. Then I bring my hands back, cross to the other side, tilt, and then up. Bring it back, cross, tilt, up, back, cross, tilt, up. Whatever hand is on top is going to do this strike. Now, as you feel comfortable with this, stop making it 1, 2, 3, and then just turn it into one technique. So we smooth it out. Over here, I already start my tilt, and then I finish with my upward strike. I already start my tilt, and then I start with my upward strike. Notice even as I come back, I kind of tilt down here. So it's more of an angle downward, and then I come upward, downward, and then come upward, downward, and come upward. The last thing you want to pay attention to here is making sure you have enough space for this bottom spike. You don't want to end up stabbing yourself. So have a little bit of room forward in front of the body. As we finish up, we can bring the blade back. But as we're doing this, we keep the blades forward in front of the body. So quick flip, out. Just like this, quick flip, out, right here. Okay, now from here, we're just gonna go back and forth to each side. Notice I don't have to touch my wrists anymore. I have that circular motion, the other blade follows. And this is the ideal that we want. We want a nice quick flip from one side to the other. It's nice to come up and slice or catch an opponent's weapon. Well, that's going to do it for this video. I hope you enjoyed the technique. If you want to learn more flowering techniques, martial techniques, and even a form with the hook swords, hop on over to my website, www.sifukuttel.com, and check out the online learning program. I have a weapons program that has double hook swords, and you can learn techniques, flowering, as well as a form itself. Check it out. I'll leave a link down in the description below as well as up above, and check out other videos in this double hook swords playlist. Hope you enjoy this one. I'll see you in the next.